Good morning, students. This is Gorang Kandhav from the N Sports. Today, we are going to practice yoga, and our class structure will be in four parts. First is warm up, second is asana, third is pranayam, and the fourth one is meditation part. Okay, so and we are going to practice asanas in the progressive manner. So like today we are going to practice three asanas, and in the next class we are going to practice the progression of these asanas. Okay, what are the next level asanas? Okay, so quickly we are going to start with the warm up exercises. So first, jumping jacks. Ready? Go. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Good job. Now, class, the hands rotation. We are going to rotate our hands forward. Okay, full rotation forward. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now backward. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Now shoulder rotation. Okay, hands on your shoulder. We are going to make a O alphabet. Okay, with the elbow. Ready? Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Very good. Now we are going to do waist rotation. Hands on your waist, feet apart. Okay, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, ready? Go. Clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Good job. Very good. So class, we are going to stretch our neck. Okay, neck. Hands on your waist, feet apart, sideward, right and left. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Now uh, forward half rotation. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back rotation forward half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Good job, class. Now we are going to start the asanas. Okay. So first asana is standing asana. In standing posture, we are going to practice Vrikshasana. It's a tree pose. Okay, we are going to balance our body on both the legs one by one. Okay, so first we are going to balance the body on right leg. Our left leg should be lifted and keep it on the right thigh, and we are going to join our hands. Okay, first balance the body, then join the hands. Okay, so lift your left leg, keep it on the right thigh, balance the body first, balance your body, very good, balance the body first. Now join your hands, 1, 2, 3, count with me, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Relax. So class, we are going to hold the asanas for 20 seconds. If you are not able to hold the for 20 seconds, it's okay. No issues. You can hold the asanas for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Okay, maximum 20 seconds. Now we are going to balance the body on left leg, Vrikshasana. Fold your right leg, keep it on the left thigh. First, balance the body. Now, join your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Good job, class. This was the first asana, the Vrikshasana. Now the second asana is Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. So we are going to lie down on the mat on the abdomen. Okay, chin on the ground and legs together and hands by the side. Okay, chin on the ground, legs together and hands by the side. When I say go, take your hands under the shoulder. Okay, and lift your upper body till waist up. Ready? Very good. Go. Take your hands under the shoulder and lift your body up. Straight your elbow and bend backward. See up. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Relax in Makarasana. Okay. Open your legs from the back. Okay. Fold your arms in front and rest your forehead. Count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Good job. Get up. Very good. So we have practiced two asanas. First was Vrikshasana, second was Bhujangasana. Now we are going to practice third asana, the Paschimottanasana. It's a forward bending pose. Okay, so sit on the pelvic and keep your legs straight. Okay, we are going to bend forward. So for that we need to take our hands up, stretch your upper body and slowly bend down. Okay, when I say go, first after that bending down, hold your legs thumb. If you are not able to hold the thumb, you can hold the toe, hold the ankle, and you can hold the calf muscles also. Okay, ready? And try to touch the chest on the knee, or try to touch your chin on the knee. Ready? Stretch your hands up, bend down. Hold your legs. Do not bend your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Good job, class. Very good. So this was the Paschimottanasana. So we have practiced three asanas: Vrikshasana, Bhujangasana, and the Paschimottanasana. Now we are going to practice pranayam. So we are going to practice only one pranayam today. The pranayam name is Bhastrika pranayam. Okay, it's similar to Kapalbhati. The only thing, we are going to inhale fast and exhale fast with the movement of shoulders. Okay, so first we are going to practice it slowly. Okay, so slowly inhale and simultaneously lift your shoulder up. Okay, when you are exhaling, relax your body. Okay, inhale. So it's like a balloon. When you are blowing the balloon, balloon will be like becoming the uh, blowing air in the balloon. It will lift up, and when the air is coming out, it will pop. Okay, so like that only. We are inhaling. We are air in the balloon. Okay, inhale, 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 inhale. So this is the slow. And while practicing the Bhastrika, throw all the impurities from your nose, from your lungs. Okay. So if you are having cough, if you are having like sneezing problem, it's a best one. Practice it regularly. Okay. Now fast. Okay. So fast, in the fast, inhale and exhale fast, and with the shoulder up and down. Ready? Relax. You can wipe your face. It's good where we are throwing all the impurities from our nose. Okay. Again, Bhastrika pranayam fast. Ready? Relax. Wipe your face. Third and last. Ready? Inhale. relax. Very good. Good job, class. So by practicing the Bhastrika Pranayam, we are building up the stamina, we are increasing our lung capacity, we are throwing all the impurities out, and we are practicing in breathing fast and slow. So these are the benefits of Bhastrika Pranayam. I am going to tell you some benefits of asanas also. So first asana was Vrikshasana. So Vrikshasan's first benefit is improve the balance your body and stability in the legs. Okay, it will strengthen the ligaments and the tendons of the feet. So we have ligaments and tendons which are the connecting bone to bone. So these we are strengthening them also. It will strengthen the bones of the hips, pelvic, legs, and due to our weight bearing, we are like uh, improving our structure also, the pose, our body pose. Okay, now the second asana's benefit, the Bhujangasana benefits. We are stretching our chest, lungs, shoulder, and the abdomen part, because we are stretching with the hands, whole upper body from shoulder to waist. We are stretching, and by practicing Bhujangasana, it will stimulate the abdomen organs. We have so many organs in the abdomen, like kidney, intestine, liver, pancreas. So many organs we have. By practicing regularly Bhujangasana, we are opening our heart means we are strengthening the heart. It will become strong. We are opening the lungs also, like increasing our lung capacity. Okay, and we are helping, this asana will help in the stress and the fatigue also, to reduce the stress and the fatigue. The third asana was Paschimottanasana. So for it will help to calm our brain, to relieve in the stress and the mild depression. If you are having depression, stress, it will calm your brain. It will reduce the stress and the depression also. It will we are by practicing Paschimottan, we are stretching our full spine, the backbone, the shoulder we are stretching, and we are stretching the hamstring. The hamstring is the back muscle, thigh muscle. Okay, and it by practicing Paschimottan, we are improving our digestion also, and it will smooth the headache. If you are having headache problem, so practice it regularly. And if you are having anxiety or fatigue in your body, so it will reduce those also, fatigue and anxiety. So these are the benefits of these three asanas. So class, sit straight. We are going to practice um, the meditation. Sit straight. So between the eyebrows, okay, touch, point your pointer finger, touch between the eyebrows. Okay, this will be our focus point. Okay, close your eyes, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. Breathing should be normal. Do not open your eyes. Focus between the eyebrows where we have pointed. This will be our focus point. Focus. Try to concentrate on the focus point. See through the focus point without open your eyes. Focus on the focus point. Sit straight. Do not lean forward. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing should be normal, smooth, and slowly. Breathing should be normal, smooth, and slowly. Focus on the focus point. Your forehead will be a visualize screen. We can visualize on the forehead. Okay, focus on the focus point and visualize your body parts on the forehead. That will be our screen. Visualize your toe, move your toe. Okay, move your fingers, leg fingers, toe fingers. Now visualize your ankle on the forehead. Breathing should be normal and smooth. Visualize the knee, the patella bone. Okay, how they are bending, how the knee is moving, the knee joint. Visualize the pelvic, how the only backbone is connected to the pelvic from the upper body. Visualize the shoulders. Visualize the elbow. Visualize the wrist. Visualize the neck. You will feel the vibration on the focus point. Breathing should be normal, smooth, and slow. We are going to chant Om 5 times. One full breath for one Om. Ready? Inhale. 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 Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your hands, rub your palm. Create a heat between the palms. Put it on your eyes. Feel the heat in the eyes. Now, slowly, slowly open your eyes. So, class, this is our yoga class is over. Now we are in the next class we are going to practice the progressive asanas of these asanas. Okay, what are the asanas we can do after these asanas? Okay, and the same pranayam we are going to practice. So stay tuned, stay with the Narayana. Thank you so much.